Can I control Google on Roku with voice commands?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on using voice commands with Google on Roku. In this video, we'll cover the ways you can control your Roku device using Google Assistant, all with just the sound of your voice.
What is Google Assistant?
Google Assistant is a virtual assistant developed by Google. It can engage in two-way conversations, helping you to search the web, schedule events, set alarms, and control a wide array of smart home devices. And yes, that includes your Roku.
Can I use Google Assistant with Roku?
Absolutely. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Roku does support Google Assistant. That means you can control your Roku streaming player or Roku TV with voice commands through a Google Assistant-enabled device. This is extremely useful when your hands are full or if you simply want a more seamless viewing experience.
How do I set up Google Assistant on Roku?
To set up Google Assistant with Roku, you'll need to link your Roku account to your Google Home app. Here's a quick guide. 1. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. 2. Tap on plus, then Set Up Device, and choose Have Something Already Set Up? 3. Search for Roku in the list of available devices and services, and select it. 4. Follow the prompts to link your Roku account. After setting it up, you can simply say, "Hey Google," or "OK Google," followed by a command to control your Roku device.
What commands can I use?
With Google Assistant, you can use a variety of commands for Roku. Some examples include, "OK Google, pause on Roku," "Hey Google, launch Hulu on Roku," "OK Google, find comedies on Roku." This hands-free control allows you to fully immerse yourself in your entertainment experience. And that's how you can control your Roku with voice commands through Google Assistant. Remember, all it takes is setting up your device correctly and knowing the right commands. We hope this guide makes your streaming experience even more enjoyable. Thank you for watching and enjoy your voice-controlled viewing.